Clay art is one of the best methods to get your kids occupied. So today let's see how to make some clay art using natural clay. Natural clay is made up of mud and water, so it's very easy to handle and make some art with kids. Without wasting time, let's start. We want 1 ball of clay. For that, take some clay, nicely tap it, roll it and make like this. Our nice smooth ball is ready. Before starting, just put some talcum powder or any flour so that our clay won't stick. That make kids to work easy. Put the clay on that and smash the clay. Now it's time to roll our clay. For that we need a roller. If you don't have a roller, take a glass or a bottle. Roll the clay and make sure the clay is not sticking down. Roll and make a nice smooth surface. It's time to select the leaf. Tell the kids to select their favorite leaf. Here we are going to use these 2 leaves. We want to keep the back side of the leaf on the clay. Like this. Nicely and gently roll the leaf on the clay. Kids will be very excited to see the leaf print. Let's try this one. Now let's cut out the leaf shape. For that we need a small toothpick. Rather than cutting the edges, it's easy for kids to work like this. Just put small dots like this. Try this method, it's really working. Then tell the kids to remove the clay like this. It's really fun and easy for small kids. After removing all excess clay, we get it like this. Now we want to smoothen the edges. Before that, let's see the other leaf. The same way, we want to make the dots all over and just peel the extra clay like this. Now we want to smooth down the rough edges. For that we want to use little bit of water. Normal tap water. Whenever the clay and water mix together, it's called slip. Then let it dry and then remove the leaf and paint the favorite color. Please subscribe the channel and let's enjoy some art, craft and fun videos.